Using a picture editing program that is driven by artificial intelligence is a hassle-free way to edit photos, since it eliminates the need to learn intricate software or spend hours adjusting settings. It's a fantastic method to improve your skills and get comfortable working with other, more complicated programs. These apps were developed with the express purpose of catering to individuals who wish to achieve quick, simple, and professional-looking results directly from their own phone or computer. Today we are going to talk about top 10 best artificial intelligence-based image editor. Before starting, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more future videos. Number 10. Remove.big. Free online photo editing program. Remove. Background is simple and easy to use. The user-friendly interface is its key draw for photographers. You can use Remove.big on your desktop or smartphone or tablet. Log in to Remove. Bake with your Facebook or Google account, add an image to edit, and save the finished version in JPEG or PNG. Isolating objects takes seconds, and template backgrounds let you modify designs. The program employs neural networks to build precise subject masks, making it easy to chop out people and other items from backgrounds. Because it can detect intricate shapes like hair and garment features, Remove. Background works well with portraits and close-ups. Although Remove.big offers free unlimited downloads, you must pay for premium service to download full-size photographs in maximum resolution. The premium service is worthwhile. Number 9. Aurora AGR. The same company that brought you Luminar Artificial Intelligence and Photolymer also brings you Aurora AGR, which aspires to be a complete high dynamic range image processing solution. The software uses a quantum HDR engine to improve the tonal detail in the shadows, midtones, and highlights. This is especially helpful for photographers of landscapes and buildings who want to improve their images. It's also simple. Pick the photographs you wish to edit, then pick from a selection of presets or quickly build your own unique settings. No matter how experienced or skilled a photographer is, Aurora AGR offers everything they need to produce outstanding edits. If you're serious about learning how to edit your photos, it's worth a go. Number 8. Lensa. You enjoy shooting pictures, but you might lack the technical skills necessary to use all the sophisticated filters to transform your images into pieces of art. Artificial intelligence-powered Lensa is a great option if you want to easily enhance your favorite selfies, portraits, or sunset photos. It is a potent picture editing tool that uses artificial intelligence to evaluate your photos and then make changes instantly. You can make automatic alterations based on the image with this one-touch editing feature called magic correction, such as softening the backdrop, adjusting your hair color, or retouching your face. The app sliders allow you to manage the effects manually if that's your preference. Lensa is a very user-friendly camera app made to assist you in getting the finest shot. It uses a subscription approach, which is uncommon for camera apps, and is well worth the money if you enjoy taking pictures with your smartphone. You can also use the app for free for 7 days to test it out. Number 7. Imagine.ai. Maintaining consistency while editing hundreds or thousands of photographs can be arduous for pros. Where Imagine.ai comes in. Intelligent batch picture editing program, Imagine.ai can correct, improve, and beautify all your photos in seconds. Saving time and effort, neural networks create a unique editor/photographer profile using pre-edited photographs and catalog metadata. Every shot gets the perfect effects instantly with this distinctive profile. The software may also crop and straighten your photographs and improve their brightness, contrast, and saturation. Imagine.ai connects with Adobe Lightroom and is available on a desktop, which we adore. No training or skill is needed, just feed your photos and let the software do the work. The best results require a huge library of altered photographs. Number 6. Topaz. Topaz is the greatest artificial intelligence picture editor for enhancing photos. Sharpening, noise reduction, and color correction are included in this photo editing suite. Along with these tools, Topaz offers one-click presets to start your job. Topaz is easy to use without photo editing or graphic design knowledge. It can also be utilized by seasoned pros who desire an advanced tool. Just choose an effect from a list of presets and change the settings until you get what you want. As simple as that. For beginner or experienced photographers, Topaz has something. The Video Enhance Artificial Intelligence technology lets filmmakers intelligently upscale SD or HD videos to 8K. With its products and tools, Topaz can help you accomplish great outcomes in one click. Best of all, a 30-day free trial is available. Number 5. Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is an artificial intelligence-based photo editing tool that was developed specifically for creators and is a welcome addition for subscribers of Adobe CC. Even though it is still in beta, we were able to test it out and find that it completely changes the game. You can utilize ordinary language to generate insane new images with Adobe's Firefly model, which is excellent for making digital art, stunning photography, illustration, and graphic design. You can also use it to generate new images. However, this is not the end of its capabilities. It can also be used for video editing, marketing, social networking, and even 3D modeling. By participating in Adobe's beta program, you will have the opportunity to influence the development of Firefly. It is highly possible that this will become one of the best artificial intelligence art producers and editors, particularly due to the fact that it plugs into Adobe's program. Number 4. Adobe Photoshop CC. Any seasoned photographer who doesn't use Adobe Photoshop will be difficult to find. The software is used by both amateurs and professionals, though not just the latter group. Since artificial intelligence has become a crucial component of photo editing. In Photoshop, Adobe has developed a new set of artificial intelligence tools that provide users more advanced options for photo retouching and styling. By selecting the Neural Filters button, users can now completely alter the subject's face expression, hair thickness, and other features. Additionally, it contains a colorize effect that expertly and automatically color sizes black and white photographs, giving them new life. Since Photoshop is used by photographers all around the world to edit their photos using artificial intelligence, the results are quite realistic. Number 3. Corel PaintShop Pro. You will adore using Corel PaintShop Pro, particularly for its artificial intelligence-assisted photo editing. If you are looking for software that comes with a broad variety of features, it comes with a large variety of filters and effects that can be applied to your images with only a few clicks, allowing you to make dramatic changes in a short amount of time. In addition to that, it comes with a user-friendly face retouching tool that enables you to simply remove makeup, alter skin tone, and smooth out imperfections. PaintShop Pro is also accessible to novice users. These features are all included. Artificial intelligence denoise removes noise from photos, while artificial intelligence stylize transforms any image into beauty. The most significant feature of Corel PaintShop Pro is non-destructive editing, which means you don't lose any data when modifying your photo. Number 2. Canva Photo Editor. Canva is one of the greatest free graphic design software that includes an artificial intelligence photo editor. Canva is ideal for non-artists who want to design graphics. Yes, this simple drag-and-drop tool lets us make amazing designs easily and with enjoyment. Their AI tool lets you alter an image or a portion of it, remove distractions, and add things. Canva's artificial intelligence picture editor works for social media and family photo books. Its free plan meets all your editing needs for solo or collaborative work. We noticed that this plan offers everything in its Pro plan for photo editing. Our selection of the top Canva templates covers everything from publishing Facebook and Instagram posts to business cards and logos. Beginners who want their work to look professional without technical understanding will find it easy even if they're not designers. Number 1. Luminar Neo. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and Luminar, hailed as the first artificial intelligence-powered photo editing program in the world, transforms your pictures into professionally edited ones in a flash. An advanced artificial intelligence engine powers Luminar, which modifies itself according to your preferences and the goals you have for each photograph. It has dozens of filters and effects. All photography styles, portraiture, landscape, fashion, architecture, nature have equipment. However, the templates for uniform styling across photographs and platforms are the highlight. If you want an alternative to Photoshop without spending hours learning another sophisticated program, Luminar is one of the best artificial intelligence picture editing software solutions. That's a wrap for today's video. What are your thoughts on our list? Let us know in the comment section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more future videos.